The Bayou Grand Marais watershed, located in Vermilion Parish, Louisiana, is predominantly agricultural. This area has cycled between flood events due to local storms or hurricanes and periods of water shortages due to localized droughts. This uncertainty of water availability means that farmers have invested heavily in deep water wells to provide a reliable source of fresh, high-quality water for irrigation. The reliance on deep water wells for irrigation contributes to the problem of groundwater overdraft in the Chico Aquifer.
Large parts of the Gulf Coast and Southeast are being overdrafted. We have rainfall all the time that is oftentimes too much, so we manage water in such a way to jettison or get rid of it to avoid flooding, but we don't smartly manage our surface water, which we could do to offset that groundwater use.
We are trying to build a sustainable water management system that captures runoff from high rainfall events, filters the water through settling and plant uptake, pumps the filtered water down into the underlying aquifer where we can store it, and then uses the aquifer system as a geological aqueductive source to transport the water to neighboring farms where it can be pumped up and that rainwater can be effectively reused. It's a comprehensive and interdisciplinary approach that incorporates hydrology, civil engineering, geology, agricultural sciences, social sciences, architecture, and design.
Most farmers that are in the program would be very delighted to participate in this type of system of cleaning up the water and storing it for future use, because one of the main expenses in agricultural production is the cost of irrigation.
Rice and crawfish take water. You can't do either one without water. And so we try to do many things to capture it as much as we can to reuse it and recycle it. And it's the most valuable asset that we have.
The really exciting thing about this project is its transferability. So if this works here, we could apply it in large parts of the Gulf Coast regions that are having very similar problems. And it's exciting that we can make this whole southeast part of the United States sustainable for many years to come.